on. Hey. It's my mom's birthday. And we're gonna make a surprise cake for her. Yeah, it tastes amazing. It has nuts and healthy stuff in it. Yeah, she's gone out now, so let's get making. Yeah. Hi, Reese. Welcome to MellowBites. I'm Corna. I'm Varga. Yeah, he's our special guest today. What are we making today? Today is our mom's birthday. And we're making a special cake just for her. And it's really healthy, has nuts and protein stuff. Super yum. Yeah. So let's get inside the ingredients. You need 2 cups of wheat flour, 1 cup of jaggery, and ½ cup of curd.
You'll also need 3/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, some chopped nuts, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and some salt.
This cake takes 5 minutes to prepare and 25 minutes to bake.
Yeah, our mom will be almost here in an hour, so without further ado, let's get started. Let's start making our cake. We'll add in our olive oil, and then our jaggery.
I'm so good at mixing things, so
give it a good mix.
Yeah. Turn into a paste.
Yeah, it should be like nice and creamy. We made this cake for about 3 times before this. My mom's gonna be super surprised that we made it on our own.
Yeah, the second time we made was like burned.
Now it's turned nice and creamy. It's time to add in our curd. Whoop.
Looks like mud.
And then we can add in our cinnamon powder. You want to smell that?
Yeah, I love the cinnamon smell.
My mom always says that when we add a pinch of salt to any sweet dish, it makes it even better. So I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Give it a good mix. Yeah, you got it. High five. I'm worried that Mom's going to be back home, so while he's mixing our wet ingredients, I'm just going to mix our dry ingredients, which is our wheat flour and our baking powder. You should also sieve it before you use the wheat flour. Now it's time to add in our wheat flour and all the other dry ingredients. Why do I keep on saying whoop?
My hand hurts really bad after doing that mixing stuff.
But you got a lot more to do. Now you have to do the cut and fold method, which you do it like this.
You're really good at doing that stuff. You can start putting little water.
Just to get the consistency right.
But it should not be too thick. That's enough.
Can you smell that? I just want to eat it.
Yeah, it smells like oatmeal.
The nuts hurts. You're not supposed to touch them. Those are for the cake.
But I really want to eat those nuts. They look so tasty. And should I add some more water?
Yeah. That's your job. No. I think we added approximately like ½ cup of water again.
So I'm going to grease my cake pan now.
This thing looks like slime. Now we greased our cake pan very well. It's time to put in the batter. this is heavy.
Do you need some help?
Yeah. I kind of feel like making slime and not cake batter.
Yeah. After like rubbing the oil in the cake pan, I'm like feeling kind of a little sick. After you put the batter inside the cake pan, you need to sprinkle some nuts.
Yeah. Instead of sprinkles, nuts is like something more yummy. I'm gonna
If you don't want nuts, you can just keep it plain.
Yeah, it tastes good like that too.
Or if you don't have a cake pan, you can just use the loaf pan.
Those are the last bits. Now I'm gonna kind of spread it out. And we can now top it up with our nuts.
Yeah.
I think there are no limits for the nuts.
My hands are messy after touching those nuts. Those are pepper.
Now I've got my oven mitts on, which are actually my mom's, not mine. I've already preheated my oven to about like 190 degrees. I'm gonna open it up, careful, and place my cake in. You can't do this, Bargo. I'm the adult today.
No, I can do this.
You wanna close it?
Yeah. Should we clean this or should we leave this to Mom?
I guess it's Mom's birthday and we should be the ones cleaning it.
Yeah. But I'm so lazy to clean it up.
Okay, come on, we'll leave a little bit for Mom, and then we'll close this. You want some?
I just put it right under your mouth.
Okay, I'm gonna clean up. It took about 40 minutes for our cake to bake. My brother was busy watching some TV, so I'm gonna pull the cake out. I'm gonna turn off my oven. I can feel a lot of good smells from the cake when I open the oven. You can always use a knife, prick it in there to check whether it comes out clean, then your cake is baked. Now we're gonna let our cake cool.
The cake is ready. We're just waiting for our mom. I just wanna eat the cake right
we're
now.
waiting for our mom, but I just wanna dig in.
Yeah, the smell is so good. So we set the camera right here. Now we didn't lock the door, so
when she opens it, she can just come inside. We're
Then
gonna go hide.
hide or somewhere, and we're just gonna tell if he comes inside, you're gonna surprise. You're gonna
He's gonna hide like over that side, and I'm gonna be hiding here. Or do you wanna hide here?
I think I'm just gonna hide.
You know what? We'll both hide here. Yeah. So we're gonna. I think she'll come in like another minute.
Surprise!
What did you do, guys?
We made you a cake.
My goodness! Did you bake all by yourself or did you order?
We baked it.
You
Yeah.
baked it? Who did that?
We.
What?
Happy birthday, Mom.
Thank you for watching, guys.
See you in the next video.
And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.